Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right there, so right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan from Uno Ear Device. Uno knows your one and only Atafa the Press. Well, I'm back again, my viewers and subscribers. Hey, you remember when I came out, it was, I believe it was yesterday, I was talking about the Yute Chatz that are promoting, things that they're not supposed to promote. You remember when I was talking about it? Well, the Ministry of Health is suspending its youth expression, Yute Chatz chat line amid concerns about the sexual and reproductive health advice being given to children through the service. In a media release on Monday, the ministry said it has noted the concerns raised by members of the public and is assessing them as they relate to the health and family life policy of the government of Jamaica. You know, remember, me come out here and me show you the evidence, me show you the proof and everything, me explain it to you, me break it down for you, my wisdom warrior. So now you can see, they were really promoting things where they're not supposed to promote. This is why they come and have to suspend it. Because why? The Christian youth group asked for it to be suspended. And not only them, the Parents Association asked for it also. You see? So what these people is doing, this health ministry, they might use it to promote their little dirty lifestyle. And that them are the, dirty lifestyle, undercover. Remember, Andrew Holness, signed some more agreement. Andrew Holness signed some more agreement, and a lot of Jamaicans don't believe it because I commented on something, my wisdom warriors, and they say it is lie. Them say a lie. You understand? Labor right is saying that. So me don't know if them genuinely don't know or I don't know. I really don't know, my wisdom warriors. I'm a pity them. Respectfully, seriously, I do, because some of them really don't know what is going on. So if somebody come out and explain why we not follow Andrew Holness. Andrew Holness a liar. This is why he attack. This is why I attack bloggers. This is why I attack social media. Because we come out and we talk truth. And you don't want to hear the truth. This is why I'm going to implement the hate speech law. Jamaican people, may I make sure some go over this with you. Anything come out, may I make sure some tell you. May I keep on update on every single thing. I want to tell on friends and family. I want to share the video them. Anytime I drop a video, share the video them. So other people can hear and see what is going on in the country. Because a lot of people on the ground don't know what is happening. Don't know what is going on. When Andrew Holness, they are up and down all over the world, they don't go yesterday, Prime Minister fly out. But it is a reason. It is a reason, my wisdom warrior. So I want to see this now. So I want to say the Christianity group and the Parents Association group was telling the truth because the health minister suspended it. They suspend it right now. So the health ministry is calling on all parents, teachers, and concerned citizens. The Ministry of Health is promoting deviant sexual behavior to our children in the Yute Chatz app. You understand? Take action now, my wisdom warrior. And the way how them do it is promote gender confusion by endorsing the idea that gender is a personal choice, not a biological reality. Advocates for LGBT ideologies, including homosexuality and transgenderism to youth as young as 13 years old. All of them something are going in the app, What's going on, my wisdom warriors? And done this, Boy, when we come out and we are telling you about the summer agreement, and we are telling you, say Andrew Holness, I go legalize this and legalize that. No, listen. And look what them do. The same Christopher Tufton. Christopher Tufton is the Minister of Health. Him same one and the fee him watch. This a man have to resign. This a man have to resign. Children up to 13-year-old in the app. Them a teach all kind of nastiness. Huh? This is why parents are concerned. This is why the parents, they say, wait, I really are going so. That's why they lick out against it. That's why they lick out against it. You understand me? And them are going to do this understyle. Come, Andrew Owens, and tell the nation the truth. Come tell Jamaica the truth. I want to stop on an undercover business. Come talk to Jamaican people. Make Jamaican people know the reality of what you get yourself into and what going to happen in Jamaica. You're going around and talking rubbish. Going around talking rubbish and telling lie. You see them when I give out misinformation. But yet and I tell Jamaican people the truth. Why? Why did the people them lick out? Why did the parents them lick out against this Yute Chatz? It is a way, it is a little way for you know, for teach you pitney them and promote all type of nastiness. That a phone style. That a phone style. And a me say, you know, and a me say my wisdom warriors, it only probably sound a little bit away because me talk it raw. You understand? But I know me say so, a them say so. It was in the paper, it was in the Gleaner. According to the Gleaner, the youth group and the Parents Association was not happy. You understand me? Because of this. Because of this Yute Chatz. Where them a promote and I tell them, if they want to go turn rainbow, if they want to be transgender, it is okay. It is wish okay. It's not okay. It's not okay. So don't tell the pitney them that there. Stop confuse the pitney them and play with the pitney them mentality. Don't do that. Nobody come promote nothing. Underneath Christopher Tufton watch all of this happen. Underneath it. Lord Jesus. I don't know what to say. My wisdom warriors, look at the screen. Me just show you. It was Observer that put this out. Look at the screen. You can't read it for yourself. Say it is not a lie. Because they have certain group of people like to go around and say, this a lie and that a lie. Because they don't have no knowledge and because they don't read with understanding. It said groups want Yute Chatz chatbot removed. Say it promotes deviant sexual behavior. And that it said, I read it for you yesterday. A National Family Planning Board, NFPB. The National Family Planning Board is come underneath Christopher Tufton Health Ministry. Yeah? And them come up with this. And them name the National Family Planning Board. Yeah? So the National Family Planning Board online messaging platform that provides children with response to sexual and reproductive health issues has enraged a Christian youth group and the National Parent Teachers Association of Jamaica, who say it is promoting deviant sexual behavior and are demanding that it be removed. So wait there. Why them have to create, come up, but them have app to talk to Pitney about what? About sexuality. Oh, no create nothing. Oh, no create nothing. Back in the day, nothing never create. So we don't come and create things for. Only things that we are full about, yeah. I promote, on take on the time, I promote on things secretly, you know. On think when I know at that do. So I'm glad how the Christian youth group then catch up on this. I'm glad, you know, how the Christian youth group catch up on it. And the Parent Teachers Association of Jamaica catch up on it too. That for sure say. That for sure Jamaica say the Samoa agreement with Andrew Owens signed. It is a destruction. You shouldn't go do that. You understand me? This is why them are doing little things secretly behind the scenes. And that unado, to outer and wicked and stay a bad man. No, sir. Uno for stop it. But uno promote deviant sexual behavior. So now, my wisdom warrior, it is true. Because the health minister come out and they say they remove it. All right? So I just let all parents know upon the ground that it is removed. But still watch. Still watch. You understand? Because I never knew about this, you know. I never knew about Yute Chatz. The first one me hear it when it come out in the Observer. I never knew about it. And I go do my research and check for myself. You understand? And try for you log in too. You know, stay there. My wisdom warriors, me I tell you now, always check on the pitney phone. On the little young kids who have phone, I know a whole heap of pitney have phone. Check them phone. Check them phone. Because all them are something underneath Christopher Tufton watch, you know. Christopher Tufton need to go resign, you know. Him need to go resign now. Me not understand why I'm still there after a whole heap of baby then dead from other day. Me no know why I'm still there. But him are the best health minister. And him last 8 years. So him a boss off in a parliament, stand up on a show off. Stand up on a show off and we not have medication. We not have medication and equipment and resources, but a stand up self-praise is no recommendation. You not stand up and praise on yourself. My wisdom warriors, you tell me what you think about this year, man, and put on an honest opinion in the comment section.